Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset this tablet. It's a 7-inch. It's on. And just wanted to see the version of it. I'm going to show you how to factory reset this. And if you forgot your pin, password, pattern lock or whatsoever, this can help as well. It's very simplified. So I'm going to show you the steps because it's not like a 1, 2, 3. There's a technique in resetting this tablet. You want to hold the volume up and also the power button. So you hold it like this. When you see the screen lights up, you take your fingers off the button. If you look here, you can see recovery and it says volume down to select. So you can actually navigate using the up button just in case you're on the wrong option. Then you click the volume down to select. This should take us into the recovery mode. If it doesn't take you there, it will take you to the screen that says no command. A lot of persons experience problems here because they do not know what to do, right? So what you want to do, you want to hold the volume up and the power button and you just want to tap it gently and release. That's the trick. When you tap it gently and release, it will take you into the Android recovery mode. So what you want to do here, you want to use the volume buttons to navigate. We are going to do a wipe data factory reset. You can also wipe cache partition as well. It says wipe data completed. You can now go ahead and you can reboot system now. Hit the power button to reboot the system now. So this will remove your pattern, pin lock, all those lock will be removed. And your tablet should be as brand new like when you now got it. can see, guys, it actually took a while for the welcome screen to show up. So when you do this, you want to make sure that you have sufficient battery power and that you can go through this successfully. So we are almost there. We are here. So that's how you factory reset your on tablet 7-inch, also 10-inch. Do like, share, and subscribe.